Hello my monarchs! In this week's video I got a Gel X nail kit from Amazon. Of course I'll leave the link down below. The kit included some instructions, it also included, of course, some nail tips, it also came with a curing lamp and a USB cable. And the last thing is, of course, the nail glue. Let's get started. Let's file down these nails. Perfect. Don't forget to dust off all the residue left from filing down the nails. In my opinion, filing down the tips helps with them sticking onto your actual nails. It does last longer from my experience. We are going to also dust off the nails before applying the nail glue. Apply a good amount on the nail. And then, of course, apply the nail and cure it till the light turns off. In my occasion, I think it was like around 30 seconds. First nail done, now for the rest. All the nails are done now. Now time to cut the length we want. I'm using the Kiss nail tip cutter. I like to cut little by little to see how long or short I prefer them at. I'm going more toward the square tape nails for this set. I'm using white acrylic paint for my thumb and middle finger. I was using a sponge, but I ended up using a brush for better application. With paint, it's a bit difficult to get the exact coating, so I did multiple. For my pointer and ring finger, I'm doing a marble design, and now I'm using the sponge for better application. Applying top coat for better looks. I'm using some gold flakes, and of course beforehand I used the nail glue. This is how it looks like, and I'm going to be doing the same thing to my ring finger. For my middle finger, I'm adding 2 beautiful butterflies, also adding some gold flakes. Please ignore my pinky finger. I'm changing it a bit. For my pinky finger, what I did was have it as a clear nail with gold sparkles, and I also added a butterfly. You can never go wrong with too many butterflies. For my thumb, I also added some rhinestones. These are the beautiful nails. Don't forget the cuticle oil, of course. Thank you all so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe for many more videos. Like, comment, and let me know what else or what kit you guys want me to try from Amazon. Thank you once again. See you next week. Bye!